Bhupendra Rajnikant Patel is an Indian politician and the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and a member of Gujarat Legislative Assembly representing Ghatlodia constituency. Patel was born on 15 July 1962 to a Gujarati Kadava Patidar family in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Patel has received diploma in civil engineering from the Government Polytechnic, Ahmedabad in April 1982. He has been associated with Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Patel is a builder by profession. He is a trustee of Sardardham Vishwa Patidar Kendra and a chairman of the Standing Committee of Vishwa Umiya Foundation. He is a follower of Akram Vignan movement founded by Dada Bhagwan. He is interested in cricket and badminton. Patel was the member of Mamnagar Nagar Palika in 1995-96, 1999-2000 and 2004-06. He was the president of Mamnagar Nagar Palika in 1999-2000. He was a vice chairman of School Board of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation from 2008 to 2010. He was a councillor from Faltage Ward from 2010 to 2015. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.